So guys, we're back at CVS for our second CVS Xtreme coupon haul for the week of September 11th through September 17th. So we're going to grab 3 of the CoverGirl eye pencils. These on a buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get 7, I believe. But I grabbed 3 of the eye pencils at $6.49 each. I did have 3 $3 paper coupons as well as a $2 instant coupon that everybody got. Then I'm going to head over to the Dove shampoo. These are buy one get one 50% off, buy 2 get a $4 extra buck, or buy 3 get 7. I grabbed 4 of them. They're all conditioners, uh, but I grabbed 4 of them. I had 2 3 off 2 paper coupons. They were $5.19 each. So one $5.19, one $2.60. Then I tried to grab Elvive, but they were completely out. So I'm definitely gonna have to go to a different store for my next card. And I did grab 2 of the Suave deodorant, buy one get one 50%. So one at $2.69, one at $1.44. I did have a 50-cent digital as well as a 50-cent paper coupon. Then I had to film this in the cart because the toothpaste aisle was totally crowded. So these are buy 2 get 5. They're $4.99 each. And I did have a 4 off 2 uh digital coupon that did glitch with a dollar digital coupon. And on this account, I had an 8off40. So I had to head over to a different store because they didn't have good stock in the store. So let's go ahead and jump into my next card. So once again, we're going to grab 3 of the CoverGirl eye pencils at $6.49. Once again, they're buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get 7. And on this one, I'm only going to use the $3 paper coupons because I believe next week is going to be a better deal. So I'm going to save that CRT. And we did have L5, but this was it, y'all. So these on the buy 2 get $4 extra buck, and they are 2 for $8 in my region. So I had a a 3 off 2 digital that I'm gonna pair in with the $1.50 that it will glitch with. And I'm going to grab 4 of the Dove, and I'm gonna get shampoos because the other place only had conditioners. But once again, these are buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get 7. So they're buy 1 get 150. So I'm gonna use 2 3 off 2 paper coupons. Then I did the Axe deal at this store, so they're buy 1 get 150% off. One at $5.99, one at $3.99, and they're buy 2 get a $2 extra buck. And I was gonna grab the Suave over here, but they did not have they only had one. So yeah, we're just gonna do the Axe deal, and I have a buy one get one free, which they took off $5.99 for. Then I'm gonna grab 2 of the Colgate Sensitive 2 at $4.99. They're buy 2 get a $5 extra buck. Then I'm grabbing 2 of the Colgate mouthwash, which are buy 2 get a $5 extra buck. I have a 4 off 2 digital, $1 digital, and I'm gonna pair all this together with a 10 off 70, and we're gonna see how all of this works out. So I'll see you guys at the table. So hi guys, welcome back to the table. Okay, so I did my second CVS haul, or second and third if you want to count it as that. But yeah, let's jump into how my deals all worked out for CVS. So yes, we're still not getting good CRTs. All of my accounts are doing the craziness. But anyway, y'all, let's work around it and just get through it and see how good of couponers we can be without the CRTs. But let's go ahead and jump into the deals that I did. So at the first store, we did get 2 of the Colgate Sensitive. These are $4.99 each. They are on the buy 2 get a $5 extra buck, and I grabbed the 4 of the Dove. So the Dove Coconut Hydration, Dove Volume and Fullness, they work for the 3 off 2 paper coupons. Some scents do not work with that coupon, and I think the only one that I really know that doesn't work with it is like the intensive one, I believe. So I always just go for the coconut hydration. And I took a chance on that one, but yep, it worked for the coupon. So these were on a buy two, get $4 extra buck, or buy three, get seven, but I actually grabbed four. So one at 519, one at 260, another at 519, another at 260. And then we grabbed two of the swabs. So at this store they were 269, buy one get 150, and these are on a buy two get a $3 extra buck. So one at 269, one at 135. Then we did our trusty CoverGirl, which are 649 each, and they're also on a buy two get four, or a buy three get seven. And yeah, that's it for the coupon. So that $2 um instant cook coupon, I guess, did not work for CoverGirl, so I had to throw in a $3 extra buck, which made me lose out on extra buck. But I could tell the cashier is about to get all weird with it, so I was just like, "Don't worry about it." That's why I didn't add anything to my um like a get a dollar or something and anything. I was just like, let me just hurry up because he was just waiting for something to go wrong. But anyway, so my coupons I used, I had, okay guys, back to it. So the camera cut off. So okay, here's the coupons I used. I had a 50-cent paper coupon for the Suave. I had $3 paper coupons for the CoverGirl, two 3 off 2s for the Dove shampoos. I had a 4 off 2 digital for the Colgate toothpaste that did glitch with the dollar digital Colgate. I had a 50-cent digital for a Suave. I had an 8off40 CRT that was emailed to me. So the rest of these are extra bucks. So 8 and 5, 13, 18. So I used 32 in extra bucks, right? So because that 204 at the bottom is really a $3. So, y'all, my math is not mathing. So 8 and 5 is 13. That's 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So I used 29 in extra bucks because that $2 CRT did not work for that CoverGirl, so I threw in a $3 extra buck instead. So my subtotal is 0. 7% tax would be 287. And what did I get back? So I got back 5 for doing 2 of the Colgate. I got back 3 for doing 2 of the Suave. I got back 7 for doing 3 of the CoverGirl. Got back 7 for doing 3 of the Dove. And that was it. So 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So $22 back in extra buck. Is that right, y'all? Some seems off. So 5 and 3 is 8. 8 and 7 is 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, so I took a loss of extra bucks? Hold on. I really did. Oh, no, y'all. I was counting my 8off40. Okay. My bad. So I used 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 in extra bucks and got back 22 in extra bucks. So I was like, I know I wouldn't have lost that many extra bucks on these deals. Not the way CVS is treating us. I'm trying to get over on them while they trying to get over on us. So that is the first store, y'all. So yeah, we would have got back a surplus of more extra bucks if that CRT would have worked, but I think that was the one that I should have clipped, but I didn't. But I'll just use it for next week because the deal is going to be better next week. It's going to be buy 3, get a $10 extra buck, and we're also going to have another instant coupons, so I can use both those instant coupons together to make a lower out of cost. And this did not give me back any kind of threshold CRT or anything. But let's get into the second store, because I needed to get to $70. So that store was totally like wiped out. So I needed to get these items. And at that store, these X were $7.29. At the store that I went to, they're still $5.99. So I don't know. So let's get into what I bought there, y'all. So I did get the two L5s there on the buy two get a $4 extra buck. And in my store, they are two for $8. I grabbed two of the Colgate Sensitive again. They are $4.99 each on there on a buy two get a $5 extra buck. I grabbed two of the Colgate mouthwash. They are $4.49 each, and they're on a buy two get a $5 extra buck. I grabbed two of the Axe, which are $5.99 at my store. Buy one get one 50% off. And so one was $5.99, one was $3. Then I grabbed the Dove shampoos again, and I got the shampoos because I got the, even though that's not the same, but I grabbed shampoos instead of conditioners because they had shampoos. So these are on a buy one get 50% off. So one at $5.19, one at $2.60, other at $5.19, the other at $2.60. I did grab three more of the CoverGirl. If y'all don't know what that is, that's how those look. So three of the CoverGirls at $6.49 each. So technically they're saying my total was $85.35, but it was right around $73. And my coupons are, what's this, $3? So so I'm assuming that's gonna be, we're gonna say that's a $3 for the CoverGirl. I have a $5.99 off for the buy one get one free coupons. They took off $5.99. We're gonna say those are two more $3 CoverGirl. We're gonna say this is 3 off for the 3 off 2 for the Dove. We're gonna have a $1.50 paper coupon for the L'Oreal, and then another 3 off 2 for the Dove. The 3 off 2 digital did glitch with that $1.50 paper coupon for the L'Oreal L5. The Colgate, I took off a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and I had $2 Colgate toothpaste or Colgate toothbrush and or mouthwash digital. So here's my 10 off 70. On this I did use $30 an extra buck. I believe 6, 6, 12, 5, 17, 18. Let's see. I think this was a $3 extra buck down here at the bottom. Yeah, so we did 12, 22, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, 30 in extra bucks. So my subtotal was 0, 427 after tax. So we did get back 5 for buying 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. We got 5 for buying 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. We got 7 for buying 2 of the Dove shampoo. 3 of the Dove shampoo. We got back 2 for buying 2 of the Axe. We got back 7 for buying 3 of the CoverGirl. And we got back 4 for buying 2 of the L5. And we did get a 4.40 for our next purchase. So we got back, guys, for 7 is 11. 11 and 2 is 13. 13 and 7 is 20, 25, and 30. So we got back and 30. So I like to keep my extra bucks up to date. So And with my extra books, what I do is I will cut them after I do this video, and I put them in order from the largest to the smallest, but also by date. So I still have some inside of my binder or whatever that's like that they go by expiration date, but from smallest to, I mean, from largest to smallest. So I use those in front first, and these are always in the back. The ones I just got are always in the back, unless I just need a certain denomination. That's how I use them, guys. So anyway, I'm hoping everybody's having a great day, great afternoon, great morning, great evening, whenever you're watching this. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.